Yo.
Oh, really?
Yo. Dog.
How much money you got on that party?
Yeah. Dude. I'm gonna go check inside, guys. Dude, I'd be lying if I told you I wasn't nervous, but I'm more excited and nervous. I don't know. This is sick. Dude, check this out. This guy's doing a drift ride along. Oh! I think you said that's it.
2 laps?
No, I think that was the Oklahoma. Dude, I'm trying to walk away from the music, that way I can talk a little bit without getting copyrighted. But obviously we're right here, exotic racing in Vegas. You guys hear that? I'd be lying if I told you that I'm not nervous. I'm pretty nervous. I'm pretty excited. This is my very, very first track session, and it's gonna be with a damn NSX. So I got my boy Hector. Gonna be taking some pictures from the sidelines. So this is what I was talking about when I mentioned it on social media the other day. So I'm gonna try to drive this car as best as I can. Dude. Let's do this, man.
My name's Mike Hayes. We're here at Exotics Racing. I got Antonio here with me. Go ahead and say your first and last name for the video, buddy.
Antonio Castillo.
And we're going to be doing 5 laps here inside the NSX, my personal favorite car. So right before I get you out there on course, I'm just going to go over a couple things. We're going to get you out there, okay? Mirrors are all set up for me, so just concentrate on going forward. If there is a car behind us that's going faster, I'll put on the caution lights. I'll put you on one side of the course so that car can pass, okay? Cannot pass another car unless you see caution lights, and I'll help you pass that car then, all right? With that being said, if I ever put my hand on the wheel, just please don't let go. Please don't let go. Cones on course, 2 orange cones, brake. If you brake too hard too much, I'll say brake lighter and longer. If you're not braking enough, then you're going to hear me call upon Jesus himself to help us use the brakes. Hopefully you're braking more. Brake towards the first green cone on the outside. Very first green cone, start turning in towards the second green cone. After the second, or as soon as you start turning in, slowly release the brakes. After the second green cone, unwind the steering wheel, point the car where you need it to go, and then accelerate, okay? Okay. Car straight, steering wheel straight, go as fast as you want to go, okay? And then shift up, shift down, just only shift when I say so. Foot on the brake. Okay. Go, pull me forward. It's like, how does my TikTok video look? I don't know, bro.
Pull up right behind
the Lamborghini, okay? And we're going to stop a little bit before the orange cones. I want to see what that drift car's doing.
Gotcha.
Go ahead and stop here for me. Shift up, sweet. Shift up again, awesome. So we're gonna keep it in this gear. You wanna accelerate straight for the green cone in front of us. Very light on the brake towards it, look right. Now turn towards the apex. Point the car towards the exit and accelerate. Car straight, steering wheel straight, go as fast as you wanna go. Shift up. Shift up. Brake, stay left, shift down. Shift down, look right, turn, off the brake. Keep turning, it's okay. Accelerate. Aim straight down the track, go as fast as you want to go. Shift up, brake, harder, more, please. Shift down and turn. After the apex, middle of course, accelerate, bring it back to the right hand side. Very light on the brake here, look left and turn left. After the apex cone, you want to be in middle of course accelerating, bringing it back to the left hand side. Keep accelerating, left hand side. Very light on the brake here. Wait for that green cone to come up to you. Look right, and now turn. So try to turn a little later here, okay? Middle of course, accelerate, bring it back to the right hand side. Accelerate.
I told you a whole different story when you ain't behind the wheel. When you behind that wheel, you gotta go fast. Yeah.
3 more. Right hand side. Brake. Turn. Accelerate. Straight. Brake straight. Shift down. Now turn. More. You don't have to shift down twice. It's
Sorry, have it.
Shift up. Accelerate. Oh, shift down. Full throttle. Go for it. Shift up. Shift up. Brake. Shift down. Brake harder. Wait. Now turn. Not bad, just too much brakes at the very end, okay?
Gotcha.
Accelerate towards the exit cone on the outside. I'll show you a good example coming up how to take this corner up ahead, okay?
Please.
More throttle, more throttle. Little brake. Little bit more. Off that brake. Accelerate. So you don't have to turn in early. The more room that you use on the outside, it opens up the corner more for you. Now show me all the way down here. Middle, accelerate. See? Stay left. Little bit of brake. Straight, don't turn. Don't turn. Now turn.
God, this is such a nice handling car.
Accelerate, stay right. Yeah, it's an NSX. Little bit of brake, turn in here. Accelerate straight for the green. Brake straight, shift down. Now turn. Point the car towards the green cone on the outside, accelerate towards it. There you go. Shift up. Shift up. Brake hard. Shift down twice. Wait, look, turn, slowly release the brake. After the apex, point the car towards the exit and accelerate. Straight down the track, go as fast as you want to go. Shift up. Brake. Harder. Shift down. Look, turn, off the brake. After the apex, middle of course, accelerate, bring it back to the right. Brake straight, wait, look left, and turn. After the apex, middle of course, accelerate, and stay left. Shift up, brake, shift down, look right, and turn. After this green cone, middle of course, accelerate, then stay right. Brake, turn in, accelerate straight. Brake straight, shift out, look right, and turn. Point the car towards the green cone on the outside, and accelerate. Aim straight. Shift up, pass, accelerate, shift up, brake, hard, shift down twice, look right, now turn. Accelerate towards the exit, aim straight, shift up, brake, stay left, brake more, look right, turn, off the brake. Middle of course, accelerate, bring it back to the right. Very light on the brake, look left, now turn left. Middle of course, accelerate, now stay left. Brake here, wait. Look right, now.
Go! 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 Go!
Now, turn right. After the apex, middle of course, accelerate, and then bring it back to the right hand side. Little brake, wait, look left, turn, off the brake, accelerate straight. Brake straight, wait, look right, turn, off that brake. Alright man, so I got the new Porsche behind us. I'm going to let him pass on the outside.
Dude, yeah, gotcha.
Full throttle. But doesn't mean we can't mess with it. Shift. Shift. Brake. Shift down twice. Look, turn, off that brake. Keep turning. Eyes up for the exit. Unwind the wheel and accelerate towards it. Shift up. Brake. Wait. Look right. Turn. Middle. Accelerate. Accelerate.
Whoa.
Accelerate.
Oh my God.
Brake. Look left and turn. Middle of course. Accelerate and then stay left. Brake straight. And that's it, man. We're done.
Gotcha.
So yeah, the only reason why I was asking you to accelerate is because it'll lift up on the front end and counteract that oversteer. It's just transferring the weight. So I need
Gotcha.
to squat the rear tires a little bit more
okay,
to provide a little bit extra more grip.
Yeah, I'm not used to 500 plus horsepower, man.
No, it's all
I'm
good.
used to front-wheel drive.
So yeah, that's what makes this car special, man. She's a ripper. So,
Rare life-threatening side effects.
You good, bro?
No,
All right.
If you are pregnant or breastfeeding, or if you have hepatitis B,
Dude, this is a pretty dope Airbnb. Let me close this shit to you guys. So, Friday night, guys, that NSX was crazy. Like, I need one. I definitely need one now. And I definitely could have gone a lot faster. I definitely should have gone a lot faster, but I was very nervous because one, it's not my car. So we're definitely gonna need to do this again sometime. After driving one, I know why people like it. The price is not there, but I know why people like it. We gotta do that. All right. Dog. Look at that. Backpack for reference. We're gonna be chilling in here, dude. We're gonna be clap sessions all night. I'm actually pretty hungry, dude. We gotta figure.
You want to go pick up? You want to just order some like pizza real quick, or you want to actually go get dinner? We can always go to a grocery store too, and
Well, we're definitely gonna need to get some stuff.
yeah.
First.
If you're hungry now, I would say just order something.
I know, I'm gonna share with Daniel. Is that okay with you, Daniel?
Damien,
Too bad.
did you move out of your house? Guys, this is Damien, the uncle everybody wanted. It's Waluigi.
You know, like, to achieve perfection, you need at least a duffel bag, 2 backpacks. You know?
Perfection of what?
And style.
Romeo, por favor, Romeo.
God. It's one of those nights.
It's been one of those nights.
I will see you guys later. Take care.
They can say ready for 8 Mexicans.
How did we beat you guys here? Should have brought my car.
We already drove up to Legion Stadium and jogged all the way to the top.
No, where we going?
This way we're here.
Yo, I really hope.
Send me a couple spots if you want
is
something
this,
kinda
like,
quick.
Vegas pretty like.
We'll check it out right now.
Got him Tesla on
I hope so.
A burger?
Yes.
Is that really called a burger?
Last year, in the middle of the
Really? Let me.
It was pretty.
Bro. Oh yeah, you were just here. Yeah, we're just waiting for Victor. Bro, it literally took us about 30 minutes to leave the freaking casino after we parked. We couldn't find our way out of there. Vámonos, viejos!
Yeah, the kit. Let's say you got like ace 5 or yeah. And then let's say you have 17.
You ready, D-man?
It's not even a seed.
Look, man. No. Can we just appreciate how Damien took bites of his pickle? Please?
We'll show you the next one later. You can eat the middle part too.
Damien, you can eat the whole thing in your mouth.
Can you fit it in your mouth? What lawnmower do you have?
He said, Hex, make me squirt. fuck are you talking?
Hey, what the fuck?